Hi, Kiana. All right, so next week I wanted to talk to you first about math. So math is going to be let's see. We're finishing up chapter 1, and then the following week you'll have your test. So next week you're going to do near doubles. So that's these ones right here. It's got like 8 plus 9. And so this little cloud, if this helps you, you can do this. If not, it's fine with me if you do counting on or whatever method works for you. But this is a good way to look at it. So you have 8 plus 9, right? So you know that 8 and 8 is 16, so one more because 8 plus 1 is 9. So one more, it's near doubles. I've also heard this called doubles plus 1. So this is another way to do it that way. So you have 7 and 7 is 14 plus one more is 15, and 8 plus 7 is 15. That's the kind of way to do it if that works for you. Otherwise, you can just add it the way that you think you need to do it. I'm not sold on every way that this book is saying is the right way. So just whatever works for you. But this is a strategy, and having strategies is a great way to help you to become a better mathematician. So you have here 5 and 6. So 5 plus 6, whatever the answer is. And since you know that 6 is one more than 5, you can do 5 plus 5. Or 5 plus 1. So you have 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11, because you know 5 and 5 is 10. Same thing here. You have 3 plus 4. So you know 3 and 3 is 6. Plus one more is 7. So you have the 3 plus 1. That is the way that they suggest you use your doubles plus 1, or you're adding near doubles. On the back, it's some review. And then here, this is one of those, I have 4 plus 5 equals how much? And you can use this little box to draw pictures if you need to, or you can use the number line to help you count on. Whatever works for you to get the answer. It doesn't matter if you want it to be less or more work, whatever works for you. And then the next one is making 10. So if you're looking here, 8 plus 3, is it more than 10 or less than 10? 5 plus 4, more than 10 or less than 10? And then here, this is the same strategy you're using. So what can make 10? So if we're looking here at this one here, let's look at this one, 9 and 4. So you know that 9 is really close to 10, 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 here, and then you have the 4. What plus 1 equals 4? So 3. So you would, right here, you would do 3. I'm going to get a board real quick, and I'm going to show it to you, because that's confusing. Okay, so if we're looking here, and you have 9 plus 4 equals something, right? So you know that 9 plus 1 is 10. So how could we make this little cloud here? This is 1 plus 3 is the same thing as 4. So 9 and 1 is 10, and then it's really easy to go, 10 and 3 is 13. So that was their strategy. That's what they wanted you to think, looking at how can I make 10 and make it easier. So let's look at this one. 5 plus 8 equals something. So how could we get 10? Which one of these numbers is closest to 10? Well, the 8 is. So what plus 8 equals 10? Well, I know that 2 plus 8 equals 10. So what plus 2 is 5? 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So now I know 8 and 2 is 10, plus 3 more is 13. Same kind of thing. It's just trying to look at the numbers and say, what can I do to make 10? Because it's really easy to just add things to 10, and that is their suggestion. The next thing is the missing addend. The missing addend isn't too bad. You can think of it as subtraction if you want to. That really helped Micah, but you can do however in your brain, it makes the most sense. So like we have this one here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus something equals 12. So what could I do to figure out what plus 6 equals 12? Well, I could do this. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is my answer? Well, that's 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. You could do it that way. Or you could go One of these is a word problem. So it looks like this. This, circle, this, circle, this. So it says Paul has 8 stickers on the chart. So I'm going to start here with 8. 8 stickers on the chart. His goal is to have 10 stickers. So he wants his answer to be 10. So what plus 8 equals 10? You could count up. 8, 9, 10. Oh, 2. So hopefully that makes sense to you, the missing addend. You could also think about it as a subtraction problem. 10 subtract 8 will tell me what it is that I need to add. So 10 subtract 8 is 2. So 2 is my answer. If that is a good way to solve it. And then this one I love math problems. So one of the things about math, there's 2 ways to talk about it. So we have 4 plus 4 plus 2 equals something. When it's written this way, it's called a number sentence. Number sentence. When it's written this way, 6, 4, 1, and this goes for any problem, even three of them or 2 of them, everything. When it's written up and down, it's called a problem. So here, the number sentence is suggesting how do we figure out this answer, and here the number sentence is wondering how we can figure this answer. So my idea and my strategy is I always try to add 2 together to get it closer to the answer. So what I would do is I would say here and here. All right, 4 and 4 is 8, and then 8 plus 2 is 10. So I got my answer for this one. There. Okay, so 6 and 4 is 10, and then plus 1 more is 11. Either way, however works for you, you can write it out. You can draw circles. You can draw little arrows. Whatever it is that helps you keep your brain organized, I'm good with. This one has this with the 3 or 4 different problems and 3 or 4 different number sentences, the add-ins here. It's really good to try a couple of different strategies, try a couple different ways to do it. Now here on the bottom, these were tricky. These were ones that you had to kind of ponder and think about. So I had 8 plus 2 plus something equals 12. So what could I do to figure this out? Well, I know that 8 plus 2 is going to be 10. So what plus 10 equals 12? Oh, well, that's 2. I can figure that one out. But then I have a little bit harder. I have 9 plus 9 equals 7 plus 2 plus something. That's a little harder. So what is 7 plus 2? Well, that's 9. So I already have a 9 here, and this is a 9 here. So what do I need? I need a 9. I hope that makes sense to you. If not, just let me know. That is what we're going to be doing. Then you will be reviewing, and then the following week you'll have one more day of review, and then you will have a quiz. So to be on the same track as the kids, your quiz will be on Tuesday, the 13th. So next week you'll work through to the 9th and do the rest of this work. And then on the 13th, you'll have your quiz. So that is what we're doing for chapter 1 review. And that's what we're doing for our math. If you have any questions, let me know. And I am happy to answer them. This will be in your packet ready to go. And I think that's it. All right. Have a good one.